How to fix Netflix black screen with sound issue on Android device. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can fix your black screen error if you're unable to watch Netflix because of this kind of issue. So there might be several different reasons why the issue occurs. So in order to fix it, sometimes upgrading your Netflix to the latest version is all it takes to fix the Netflix black screen error with sound. So to update your application, open up your Play Store and then on the search bar type in Netflix. Once you type in Netflix, click the update button if you have any, and after that it's gonna update your application and try login into your account. Once you're logged in, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can also try disconnecting any of the USB cords or any of the connectivity and try logging into your account, and that might be able to fix your issue. If that is also not working out, then you can simply reinstall the Netflix application and restart your device at the same time, and that might be able to solve your issue all at once. So these were some of the ways to fix your Netflix black screen with sound issue on Android. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.